once you get into it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi. I have not done like a car vlog type of deal in a very long time, so it's good to be back filming in my car. So right now it is Thursday the 25th and it's 12:03. I actually said in my vlog that I posted yesterday that I wasn't going to vlog anymore because I'm doing a college week in my life next week. But then I remembered, like, I'm gonna have to post a vlog next week while I'm filming my other vlog. So I'm gonna vlog this weekend so you guys still get another vlog. I got a lot of nice comments on my video where I was talking about the skin on my face. So I just want to say thank you all for the nice comments. And yeah, so right now I have work at 1, so I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get a sandwich and a drink. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And then we have dance 4 to 7. So that's my day in a nutshell. And then I have to come home tonight and I have so much homework I have to do because I was gonna do it yesterday and then I just didn't do it because I just didn't feel like it. I was tired, did not feel like it, but I'm going to do it today. I'm gonna go to Starbucks now. We got the goods. This is bad lighting, but I just got a venti white chocolate mocha with hazelnut added in, so good. And then a bacon and Gouda breakfast sandwich. Now I'm gonna head to work. Oh my god, my voice right there. But I'm at work now and I feel really weird vlogging with my camera up any further because right next door to us is a chiropractor and like the windows are kind of tinted so we can't see. Like if you're outside you can't see in, but if you're inside you can like see out. So they could probably see me talking to myself right now. But whatever. LOL. Okay, why did I just say LOL? Oh my god, I'm talking text out loud. But like I said, I'm at work now. I'm gonna eat my sandwich and then go inside. Hi, I'm actually getting ready for bed now. I went to work, I then went to dance, and then I came home, did some homework, fixed music for the middle school dance team that my friend is coaching for. So I'm just gonna end this here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi everyone, this is my place of starting the vlogs. I feel like as having you guys on my little shelf, but it's actually pretty late in the afternoon. I don't know where my phone is, but I'll check the time on my iPad. It is 3:14 in the afternoon. This morning I woke up, I ate some breakfast, I took a bath, I got ready, I filmed 2 videos. I filmed like how to start a YouTube channel type of deal, and then my what's on my iPhone. And then after that I took all my makeup off and now I edited my 1 video, my how to start a YouTube channel. That will be up on Sunday. And yeah, so now we're here and my room is an absolute mess. I don't even know if you guys can see it. This pile of clothes, all of these clothes, my bed is full of stuff, and so I'm just going to take the time right now to clean. Okay, so I kind of have everything separated now. I have all my pants there. That needs to get tags cut off. This is stuff that needs to be washed. Everything that could be hung up, I hung up. There's a lot of stuff. These are like, well, this is my sleep shirt that can get washed. Oh my god, and socks. Where is this stuff coming from? And these are just like sports bras, bralettes I need to put in my drawer. So now I'm gonna hang all those up. Okay, I got all of that put away, and now I'm gonna go put my other stuff in the hamper. Hi guys, it is way later. I don't even know what time it is right now. Let me start my car. But right now it's 5:35 p.m. I'm going to get dinner. My mom gave me $20. I can go where I want for dinner. So I'm gonna go to Poncheros and get some, whoa, I have $10 in here. So I'm gonna go do that. My plan is for me to get home, eat my dinner, take a shower, and then do my homework. So hopefully I will stick to the plan. And yeah, let's go get some punch. Got my punch, now it's time to go home and eat. Well, I devoured that. Now I'm just watching Maddie. There we go. I'm gonna do some homework once my computer is charged. You guys, I just got 58.5 out of 60 on my chapter 12 assignment. You guys, I've never done this good before. I'm literally like shocked right now. Oh my gosh, that is good for me in this class. I just took my shower. As you guys can see, my hair is wet, and now I'm just gonna watch some YouTube for the rest of the night. Right now it's 8:13. I didn't get all my homework I wanted to get done, but I do still have all day tomorrow and Sunday, and so I'll be fine. I'll get it done. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. Hi everyone. Oh, this lighting, what is going on with the lighting in here? So basically right now it's almost noon, I think, and I'm gonna run and get a shake. I woke up this morning around 9:30ish, and I've just been chilling. I'm still watching Maddie. I'm watching so many vlogmases because I need to get ideas for this year's vlogmas, because it's gonna be here before you know it. So outfit today, I just have on this NDA championship thing. It was from nationals in Florida when we went for dance my senior year. And then I just have on these gray leggings. They are Victoria's Secret ones. I'm gonna run and get a shake, come home, and start on my day of homework. Look who came to see me while I'm doing my homework. Hello, baby. Look how cute she is. Oh, you're just so cutest ever. You just want to be petted, don't you? Yeah. For those of you who are new here, this is my cat. Her name's Angel. She is 14 years old, not almost 15. She'll be 15 in February, and she is doing good. She still acts like a little kitty, even though she's a little old lady. Oh, got a shake. Where are you gonna go? Are you gonna leave me? Oh, she's gotta think about what to do. I think she's gonna go. Gonna go? Bye! She's so cute. Hi guys, it's decently late at night. It is 11:30. My mom's on the phone with someone right now, I don't know why. But Easton just left. We watched the Red Sox and Dodgers games. He's the biggest Boston fan and they won, so he was thrilled. And I did most of my homework. I have one quiz tomorrow, one test, and I have to reply to some discussions, and then I'm good. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi everyone, and good morning. I just got ready for work. Right now it is 10:14. I have to be at work at 11:45, so I've got a while. But I've realized that I never showed you guys what I got in my ipsy bag for the month, and I always do that. So this is this month's bag. It's just red. First thing in it is a little mini travel size Tarte Shape Tape, which I literally love. And then I got a Buxom lip gloss. This is in the shade Dolly. So it's just like a little nude shimmer shade. And this is Strawberry Peppermint Lip Balm from the brand Kavos. And then just is in this little package. This is Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration for dry protected skin. Ooh, they know my skin has troubles. So I got that. This is from First Aid Beauty. I love their products so much. And then the very last thing is this Radiant Glow highlighter, which I'm actually gonna open right now. I haven't even opened any of this stuff, and I've had it for like week or two. Okay, but this is from the brand IBY Beauty. IB. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. So that is everything in my Ipsy bag. I'm not exactly sure on what like the theme is this month. I lost the card, but it has like a little mask on the bag. It's red. It's cute. So I'm actually going to end the vlog here because I'm just gonna go to work and then I'm gonna come home and just do homework, and that's gonna be my day. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow I'm starting my college week in my life vlog, and I'm also doing a college week in my life outfits, so that'll be exciting. So yeah, subscribe if you aren't already, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?